Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and you all know how we do it on this channel. We go straight to the point and we hit the nail on the head. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can submit your application to the University of Bologna for your master's and your PhD programs. Okay, we already know that studying in Italy comes with a lot of benefits. First, Italy has a high standard of living. Tuition fee is cheap and affordable. Living expenses is also cheap and affordable. And after your studies, you also get to apply for a post-study work permit to allow you to look for job in Italy. Okay, so for you to choose your course, you're going to come here to this study and you're going to click on second cycle degree programs, because we are looking for programs that are still open for application. Okay, these are programs that you can still submit your application for admission to stand a chance to gain an admission. All right, so this is where it's going to bring us, and then you scroll down, okay, to see some of the programs that they are offering. You can also filter. All right, these are programs that are available for 2025/2026 academic section. So you can scroll down and see a whole lot of courses that they have here. They have agricultural and food sciences, economics and management, education, engineering and architecture, humanities, languages and literature, law, medicine, pharmacy and biotechnology, political sciences, psychology, sciences, sociology, sports sciences, statistics, and veterinary medicine. So these are the fields of study that they offer in this university. And you're going to choose one of it and click on this to be able to see more of the courses that are being offered. And as you can see here, we have advanced cosmetic sciences, which is being offered in English language. And this is an international program delivered entirely in English language. Okay, everything here is being delivered in the English language. So make sure you are looking out for that as well. So you can choose one and click on it, okay, to see the overview of the program. And this is the program page for this course, Artificial Intelligence. And the campus is in Bologna, and the type of access is open access and it's also for international students, delivered entirely in English language. So for you to see information on how you can enroll to this program, this is just an example, all right, but I'm just showing you, using this to show you how you can find your own field of study and make your application. So you're going to scroll down and you will see information on how to enroll. You click on that and it brings us to this page. Then this is a 2-year master in artificial intelligence. All right, then you're going to scroll down and you will see the main steps to follow to submit your application. So this is information for Italy, EU country, and non-EU country. And as an international student, you are from a non-EU country. So you're going to click here on this non-EU country. But if you're from an EU country or you're from Italy, then you can go ahead and click this, okay? Then you come here and you click on general information on admission requirements for this particular program, okay? And this master's degree program in artificial intelligence requires possession of a bachelor's degree or 3-year university diploma or any other degree obtained abroad recognized as suitable. All right, and these are the qualifications required for this program in artificial intelligence. The minimum graduate admission requirement is a 3-year bachelor's degree in computer science. This is the minimum, okay? Computer engineering, applied informatics, mathematics, physics, statistics, automation, electronics, telecommunications, or biomedical engineering. Remember, this now pertains to this particular program in artificial intelligence. So it means those with bachelor's degree in any of these fields can apply to this program. Okay, then you can scroll down to see more information. Knowledge of the English language. It says all applicants must provide an international language certification not older than 3 years, demonstrating at least a B2 level English language proficiency according to the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. And these are the English certificates that this university is accepting: IELTS, TOEFL. You need an IELTS score of 5.5 to 6.0 to 6.5 as well. TOEFL IBT of 80 to 99, or CBT 180 to 270, or PBT 507 to 557. It also needs the PTE academic of 51 to 65, okay, and others that are here as well. And it says here that you do not need to prove your knowledge of English if you've completed an academic degree in or you are a national of one of the following countries: Antigua and Barbuda, Australia; the Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Canada, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Ireland, Jamaica, New Zealand, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, UK, USA, and South Africa. So if you're from any of these countries, then you will not need to submit an English language proficiency. For the knowledge of the Italian language, if you have any certificate in Italian language, then you can as well submit it. But if you don't have, you'll be required to include a learning activity taught in Italian in your study plan. And for scholarships, this university is also offering merit-based scholarships, and you can also apply for a reduction or exemption of the enrollment fee. Then for the study grants and subsidies, we have fee reductions in form of fee waivers, incentives, and exemptions. You may be eligible for a reduction in tuition fees on the basis of your financial situation or merit. And then for the merit base, if you graduated on time with top marks, you will be eligible for a total fee exemption. Now let's see information for scholarships. So this is the scholarship website for international students, and it says open calls for scholarships and awards, international mobility, tutoring grants, and there are 20 places available. So what this means is that this scholarship is a very competitive scholarship, okay, and the deadline is on the 31st of March 2025 for master's degree programs. Okay, so let's go back to submitting an application to this university. So we've seen the requirements to be able to submit your application to this university. You will need your degree certificate and transcript if you're coming for your master's program. You will also be needing an English test to be able to submit your application to this university. And then when you're ready with your application, you can click on how to apply. So when you click on how to apply, you'll be able to see more information on the necessary documents that you will need to apply to this university. You need to first of all log in and register on Student Eye Online. Then you will apply and upload the required documents in PDF format, which includes your curriculum vitae, your English language certificate, which we mentioned earlier, transcript of records, ID, which is optional. Your ID can be your international passport. You also need a motivational letter and Italian language certificate and permit of stay if available, okay? You provide this if it's available, but if it's not available, then you can still apply to this university. And you also need to fill this form, all right? You're going to fill this form because if you don't fill it, then your application will be considered incomplete. So when you open up the form, it's going to request you to sign into a Microsoft account. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can go ahead and create one. And when you are ready with all of your applications, you're going to come here and click on Student Eye Online to be able to create an account to submit your application. So this is how the application portal looks like, all right? And you're going to click on register as a new user. Okay, but if you already started an application, you can click here to log in. And if you forgot your password, you can as well click here to retrieve your password. So let's click on register. So this is the registration portal. And you're going to scroll down and look for information for international students. So for international students, you click here to be able to register. And this is the registration portal. You're going to complete your personal information, all right, from a valid ID document, ID card or your passport, okay, and then you also pay attention to multiple first and last names. You fill in your name here, your surname, your gender. If you're a female, you can click here. If you're a male, if you're a male, you can click here. If you're a female, you can click here. Then you choose your correct date of birth, the way it is on your ID, all right? Then you choose your country. You can click on this drop down menu to be able to select your countries. You scroll down to be able to select your country, okay? Then this is your town of birth, the way it is on your international passport or your ID card. Then you also choose your citizenship, all right? You scroll down as well to be able to choose your citizenship. And if you have a second citizenship, then you can scroll down here as well to select your second citizenship. But if you don't have a second citizenship, you can leave this empty. Then when you come here at the contact section, you will see where you will put your mobile phone number. You're going to click on this flag sign to choose your own country, and you will scroll down as well to be able to select your country. All right, then when you have selected your country, if you're from Norway or Oman or Pakistan, you're going to choose that. All right, and anywhere you're from, just scroll down to it and you'll be able to select your country. All right, so you now write your, this is your country code. You now write your phone number here, and you're also going to fill in your correct email address and confirm your email address. And you're going to also choose your country of residence, that's where you're living in currently. You also click here and select your country of residence. Okay, then you also choose your town of residence, your street of residence, street number of residence, your postcode of residence, telephone of residence. My domicile is different from my residence. You choose here if your domicile is different from your residence. Okay, that maybe where you are is different from your residence. You can choose here, and when you tick here, it's going to bring out information for you to be able to choose that. And when you're done with that, you click on next. We are not submitting an application right now, but if you're submitting an application, here will be highlighted for you to click on next, and you follow the prompts to be able to fill in all other remaining information and submit your application. Remember to gather your documents, upload your documents, and then submit your application. And for the PhD programs, you're going to come here and you're going to click on PhDs and professional master's programs, specializations and advanced training. And you scroll down and also see some of other programs that they have at this university. They have PhD programs, which we are going to see very soon. They also have the professional master's programs if you want to pursue further scientific and higher education on a permanent and recurring basis. And they have specialization tools where you can enroll after completing your master's degree program. Okay, a specialization program helps you to acquire specific knowledge and skills needed for various professions. They also have postgraduate vocational training programs. I'll be dropping this link in the description box as well. Then you click on PhD program. You come to this page and you can scroll down to see more information. And this is the scholarship available for PhD students at Bologna University. Scholarships have a gross amount payable ranging from a minimum of 16,243 euros to a maximum of 19,367 euro per year. Okay, you can find out more information, but this is the basic information for the scholarship. So you don't need to worry about tuition fees. All you need to do is just to focus on your studies. Okay, then this is for you to participate in the call for applications for PhD students. To apply for a PhD at the University of Bologna, you must pass the selection process aimed at verifying your aptitude for scientific research. Okay, PhD is a research program, so they will need to assess you and be sure that you pass the selection process to be able to determine or verify your aptitude for scientific research, as well as your preparation on the subjects covered by the program and related to the position. For PhD programs starting in autumn 2025, 2 calls for applications will be published. The first one in March 2025 and the second one in May to June 2025. So make sure you save this video, download it, share it. Okay, keep the link, okay, to be able to submit your application when the application opens. The call for applications, 2 calls for applications will be opening for the autumn 2025. The first in March and the second in May to June. Okay, so make sure you also share this video, all right, to those who may need it. Okay, for you to take part in the selection, you will click here. So you choose your year here. Remember that for 2025 it's starting in March, so you can't see that information here yet. All right, so please share this video. Okay, save it so you'll be able to submit your application as early as possible. And these are the PhD programs available. There are 51 PhD programs available for these programs. For now, the call for applications are closed, but remember they said it will be opening up again in March. And they have architecture and design, cultures, agricultural, environmental and food science and technology, aerospace science and technology, astrophysics, automotive engineering for intelligent mobility, biomedical and neuromotor sciences, biomedical system engineering. They have a whole lot, 51 of them here. I'll be dropping this particular link for you to search for your own field. It will be easy for you, all right, and you don't need to stress yourself. That is why I am here to do this for you. Okay, so remember that you can also filter by subject area for easier search or faster search, and you can also filter by the language. Okay, so for international students, you can select English. If you can speak Italian, you can select this. They have 35 programs being offered in Italian, 45 PhD programs being offered in English, 3 PhD programs being offered in Spanish, 4 for French, and 2 for Chinese. All right, so for international students who is coming from an English speaking country, you will select this and click on apply, and this is our filter showing here, so you can scroll down to see what it has given you, and it still brought out a whole lot of courses. There is chemistry, civil, chemical engineering, environmental and materials engineering, computer science and engineering, cardio, nephrothoracic sciences, biomedical, electrical, and system engineering. They have a whole lot of them. So what you need to do is just go to the description box below and copy the link, all right? Or you click on it to your browser so you can be able to see more information on this. You can go with this one. This is PhD in agricultural, environmental, and food science and technology. Remember, we saw that the next call for application for PhD programs is starting for this year is starting in March, right? And the second one will be starting from May to June. Scroll down to be able to see information. You can see some of the requirements here. You will need a curriculum vitae. You can click here to see more information. And this is a template for research proposal. So you're going to click here for you to be able to see more information on that. For this evaluation sub-criteria, you're going to click on it and download it, all right? And when you click on this call for applications, it's also going to be downloaded on your device, all right, for you to be able to see more information on that. If you have any questions, you can always contact the school and they will always reply you. So watch out and make sure you are on the alert. Save this video so that once the application portal opens, you will be the first to submit your application. Remember, the earlier you submit your application, the better for you. All right, so start now to gather your documents. If you have not gathered them, write your motivation letter, do a touch up on your CV, get your referee, your references. If your international passport is expired, now is the time for you to go renew it. All right, you have no excuse not to apply to this university. Okay, so I wish you all the best in your application, and I hope you one day come to the comment section to share your journey with us. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section and I will definitely reply. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video because there are lots of people out there who might need this information and might benefit from it. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.